Hi friends, this is James Dickerson, your real estate home boy for Houston and surrounding areas. Today I'm going to be in the Century community in Crosby, Texas, where I'll be hosting a Homebuyers Seminar June 14th from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Today we will be touring one of the home plans, but they have vast numbers of home plans to choose from. This home right here has 2,439 square feet. This is a Bristol plan with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, with following features include 9-feet ceilings, granite countertops at the kitchen and bathroom, large 7-foot island kitchen cabinets with crown molding, stainless steel appliances that include Whirlpool gas range, microwave oven that vents outside, dishwasher, refrigerator, washer and dryer, blinds, tankless water heater, dual sink at the owner's bathroom, 5-foot shower with tile surrounding the glass, fully solid front and back, full sprinkler system, smart garage door opening, ceiling fans at the family room and owner suite. Secondary rooms are blocked and wired for ceiling fans. 10 by 10 patio, front gutters, and a smart garage, and many, many more features. Call me today, 281-883-8426.
You're listening to Stub Radio. listening to Talk Radio.